Alright, so today I'm going to show you the easiest way to solve one of the most annoying issues that we deal with while using ChatGPT. And that is basically when you are in a specific chat and you have a lot of stuff going on in that specific chat, there comes a point where it basically starts to mess up and become weird, and there is an actual limit on the chat. It starts to slow down, it starts to hallucinate, there starts to be problems. So what do you do? How can you actually take the information from that chat and basically revive it into a new chat, or have it at least functional in a new chat? So there's two ways you can do this. One way is extremely technical, and it actually requires us to take out the data and, basically, like export data into a file and then import it, all that. But we're not going to do that today. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it and get the vast majority of the information and the key information out of your specific chat and then take it to a new chat. So what I'm going to do is show you one of the prompts that I use, and I'm going to take it and just throw it into one of my old chats where I was trying to create lineups for the FIFA World Cup on DraftKings. So I'm going to go and input the exact prompt right here, and you guys can create something very similar or just copy it verbatim. It's up to you, but basically I'm saying to create a complete transfer document for this entire conversation so I can paste it into a new ChatGPT chat and continue without losing context. Include every useful detail from the conversation, including all facts, background information, names, dates, numbers, examples, explanations, etc., and basically all the important stuff that we need to have in order to get the information out of this chat and into a new one. Now, take note, even with this, you might lose some details, but you will get the vast majority of the stuff that's important. But once again, if you want to get every single thing, that's where we're going to do the more technical option, which I'll show in another video. But using this prompt, which I'll add to the description of the video or the pinned comment that you can basically copy paste, is the most useful one in my opinion. So this is what it does. You press enter, and obviously if you're in a very stacked chat, it might take a little longer than this. But assuming that this works out and you're able to at least input that into your chat, you're going to get something like this, where it basically gives you a complete transfer document that you're just going to copy paste. So all you would have to do at this point is scroll down, copy all of this into a new chat, and then basically once it's done, copy it, go into a new chat, hit paste, hit enter, and then you would have everything that you need and basically transition that chat to another one. Now take note, it might be pretty long. In this case, as you can see, it does go on quite a bit. And that's okay. That's kind of the whole point here. Like, you want it to be long and have every single detail, which is ideal. But once again, in this case, it might not have every single specific thing, especially if you're using it, like in a lot of times for people that use it as a companion or a friend, there's certain nuances and little things that they might not catch on, so that's worth noting if that's something that you do. It would be best to just actually export the file, which is a whole other process that I'll be showing in another video. But once again, if you guys want to steal that prompt and utilize it to basically transfer one chat to another properly, you can get that from the description of the video or the pinned comment. And that's about it. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.